when I'm, look at here students, when I'm comparing the states B and C, when I'm comparing the states B and C here, your next states EF should be compatible. EF should be compatible. If EF is compatible, then only your B and C will be compatible. For that, I need to go and check whether EF is compatible or not. Go here. Here, EF is also compatible only when AB and CD is compatible, students. That is the condition. Okay. When I'm checking B and C whether they are compatible or not, I got they have different next states EF. So I went to check whether EF is compatible or not. When I came to E and F, I have again different condition that if E and F wants to be compatible, their next states A, B and CD should be compatible. Check here students whether AB is compatible or not.
Compatible, sir.
So this is a compatible pair. Then check whether CD is compatible or not.
Compatible.
Compatible, sir.
So if AB and CD is compatible, can I say EF is compatible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
when EF is compatible, can I say B and C also compatible?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
EF,
sir.
then BC comparison also over, students. BD is directly compatible, BE is directly compatible, BF is compatible only when CE is compatible. When CE is compatible, check students whether C and E is compatible.
No,
Incompatible, sir.
Then you put a cross mark on that pair. When C is not compatible, automatically B and F is also not compatible. B and F also not compatible. Students, is there any condition that we have to check? Is there anything left? Whether we have checked each and every
No,
condition or not? AB is compared, AC is compared, AD is compared, and then AEAF is not compatible, so we have left it. BC is compared, BD is over, BE is over, BF is also over. Then CD over, CE is incompatible, CF is compatible, it is over. Then DE is incompatible, DF is incompatible. Okay, that is also over. EF is compatible by checking AB and CD also compatible. Students, with this, your second step is also over. In step 1, we have drawn all the vertices and then checked each and every state. If they are compatible, we have drawn the straight lines in between them. If they are compatible with the different next states, that we have written all the next states, what they are having for each and every vertices. Then we have checked whether the next states are compatible or not from the incompletely specified state machine and from the merger graph in here. With this, second step is also over, students. Okay, so by checking the next states which are available, which are compatible, we have clearly taken what we have to do in here. Okay, then students, then the main thing what we have to do here is we have to connect the lines. We have to connect the lines. Okay, so which are compatible, which are not compatible in here. Okay, so take a picture like this. Okay, so you should have, students, in the examination point of view also, you have to go step by step here. In the step 1, we have to draw all the compatible states which are compatible with the next states, each and everything. In step 2, we have to mention which is compatible, which is not compatible. Then in step 3, we have to connect the lines. Okay, if BC is compatible, we have got a check mark here. So you can directly connect BC here. We can directly connect BD. We can directly connect CD. We can directly connect AD. We can directly connect AC. Where the cross mark is placed, you remove that line. Where the cross mark is placed, you can remove that line. Okay. So students, tell me, have you noted down this one? Have you noted down this one, students? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you tell me, I can draw on the screen only the line in between B and F is given cross mark. Remaining all next states are compatible in here. Okay. So can I erase this and can you give me the answer? Give me the support to draw the final thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let me take a new thing. Let me take a new thing, students. Okay. I'm drawing the vertices A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the things, okay, I'm having. Students, now tell me whether I can join the lines A and B directly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Since they are directly compatible, I'm connecting. Then, can I join the lines A and C?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I'm joining the lines A and C. Then, can I join the lines A and D, whether they are compatible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, and yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir.
Then, can I join the lines AE?
No, sir.
Not compatible.
Can I join
Uncompatible,
AF?
sir.
Can I join AF?
No, sir.
No.
No,
So
sir.
A
Yes,
is A is completely over, students. Now go for B. Can I join B and C?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Then B and D.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So B and D is joined. Then B and E.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then B and F.
No, sir.
No.
B
Then
and
No,
F, no,
sir.
sir.
yeah, B is also over, students. Let us go for C. Can I join C and D?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
CE. CE.
Not compatible.
No, sir.
Yeah. Then
Not
CF.
compatible.
CF.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
C is also over, students. Let us go for D. DE.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
DF.
No, sir.
Then EF.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is your merger graph, students. Okay, this is your merger graph. This with this your steps are completely over. Okay, this the steps are completely over, students. Okay, so this is your merger graph here. Okay, so after looking at this